Welcome to Viva's Lifestyle. Today, we are going to learn about the layers of the atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere is classified into 5 major layers. Let's review each layer from lowest to highest order. Troposphere, Stratosphere, Mesosphere, Thermosphere, Exosphere. Let's study the troposphere layer. The troposphere layer exists from the Earth's surface to an average altitude of 7.5 miles. Troposphere is the lowest layer of the Earth's atmosphere. All weather changes like rainfall, fog, summer, winter, and spring occur in the troposphere layer. The troposphere is an important layer where humans and animals live and breathe. The troposphere layer also provides favorable environmental conditions for photosynthesis. That's why we see lots of plants and trees on the Earth's surface. In the troposphere, the temperature decreases as you go higher. In this layer, turboprop aircraft, helicopters, and hot air balloons fly safely. Now let's study about stratosphere layer. The stratosphere is located 7.5 to 31 miles above the Earth's surface. The stratosphere layer is nearly free from weather and clouds. That is why most jumbo jet flights fly in the lower stratosphere to avoid turbulence. The stratosphere layer also consists of the ozone layer. The ozone layer protects us from harmful UV radiation. The higher you go in the stratosphere, the higher the temperature rises. Now, let's study the mesosphere layer. The mesosphere, the third layer of the Earth's atmosphere, is located between 31 to 50 miles. The mesosphere is the coldest layer of the Earth's atmosphere, with temperatures dropping below -120 degrees Fahrenheit. In mesosphere layer, any meteoroids or asteroids are incinerated by the tremendous frictional and Earth's gravitational force. Thanks to the mesosphere layer, it protects us from meteoroids. Rocket-powered aircraft are the only ones capable of reaching this altitude. This is the highest altitude for aviation. Let's now delve into the thermosphere. The thermosphere layer is located between 50 to 440 miles. Equivalent to 80 to 700 kilometers. The space station orbits within this layer. This layer is completely free from clouds and water vapor. Due to the low density of molecules in this layer, the temperature increases with altitude. But this temperature is still very cold for human beings. Karman line is located in the thermosphere at an altitude of 100 kilometers from the Earth's surface. Let's explore the exosphere layer now. The exosphere is located between 440 to 6,200 miles, 700 to 10,000 kilometers, above the Earth's surface. The exosphere is the outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere. Air does not exist in this layer. The majority of satellites orbit in this layer. Let's review each atmospheric layer one by one. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. Thus, we have learned about the 5 layers of the atmosphere. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.